Meaning of daybed.
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 Daybed. A daybed is a piece of furniture designed for reclining or lounging during the day. It typically resembles a sofa or chaise longue and can be used as both seating and sleeping accommodation. Daybeds may have a frame made of wood, metal, or other materials, and are usually equipped with a mattress and cushions for additional comfort. They can be found in various styles and sizes, from simple and practical to more ornate and decorative designs. Overall, a daybed offers a versatile and functional addition to any living space.